life has moved so busy that I did not fully unpack from my trip to New Orleans. So with papers and kids' commitments and all of that, I have not had time to unpack. I'm gonna tell you, this is not my norm. Usually I feel like I'm on top of things, and now I just feel like everything controls me. So before I get dressed for work, I'm gonna clear out my luggage, and some of this is even from my last time in Mississippi, things I did not even wear, just kept it in my backpack. So I'm not backpack, my suitcase. So I'm gonna clear this out. I'm gonna hang up and fold whatever needs to be folded so that I can have a clean slate to begin packing for this week's trip back to Mississippi for school. Okay, I am unpacked from my last trip, and my daughter has ads that were supposed to be sold for her dance team for school. And because the past 2 months for me have been bananas, like I have to tell myself, girl, we got this. We got this. I have prayed and just asked the Lord to show me if I'm on the right path, because it's chaotic with end of year things, with work, finals, and the final things for school to wrap up this semester. It's been crazy. So I'm using you as a mirror. Because it's time for me to get out of here and go to work. This is lip stain from Sephora. When I say I love it, and I need more colors, but because it's the season of holiday cheer, I'm going with bright reds. So I'm just lining my lips and getting ready to head out to work, and hopefully hopefully by the grace of God we'll be able to secure all of my daughter's ads, and that will be put behind us. One thing that I'm kind of sad about is there's some things that she's doing this weekend that we have to send her on her own. I'll be coming back from Jackson, not speeding, but I have an exam from 1:30 to 3:30, and 3.5 hours away to get here is the cotillion. And I am one of the chairpersons of the cotillion, and I definitely want to be there. This is my last year of our term. So I'm going to take the exam as fast and efficient as I can. Already have my makeup done. Already have my dress here laid out, ready for me to go. So as soon as I get back here, I'm going to get dressed, go to the cotillion. My husband has some catering jobs there. He'll be at the cotillion in the capacity of president for his fraternity. And my oldest daughter will be at a program that I really wanted to see her be a part of. So I'm hoping that the overwhelm that I'm feeling, it is over, or it minimizes significantly after Saturday, to where I can sort through some things, clear my head, finish up things with work well, and prepare to enjoy the holiday season. usually, and the holiday season, well, the vacation is not here yet. But normally during that time that I'm not working, I am filling that time with, now to me, I'm going to say busy work. Trying to get things ready for the new year, which I'll do that. But when I tell you, I want to rest, I want to sit down and watch a full TV show without having to stop it because I feel guilty for giving at least 10 minutes of my spare time to something else. I want to watch a TV show all the way through. I want to watch a movie all the way through. I want to sleep in past, I don't know what time. Every time I say I'm sleepy in, I never do. I'm just looking for rest. I hope that you're getting the rest. And I'm so sorry for this ramble, but you and me, we're therapy friends at this point. All right, enough rambling. I gotta go to work. Coffee, I have my water. I'm dressed down today, my pleather pants, and I'm wearing sneakers because we're going to clean our office to refresh for the new year. And before I have to join the crew, I'm going to try to knock off one of the priorities on my to-do list for today before an 11:45 meeting. And the day goes fast, so I wanted to check in. I'll be here, of course, how it's been going lately. I vlog when I first make it to the office. Well, if you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great day, and I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead and subscribe. Do it now. Do it. So if you just click that button, it didn't take long, and it's free. Thank you for coming along on this journey, and although it sounds like I'm getting ready to close the vlog out, I'm not. Just getting ready to sign off for a moment so that I can be productive here at work. All right, I'm gonna sip my coffee, sip some water, and slay the day, and I hope that you're doing the same thing. The day is long and getting ready to head into another meeting. I had to run errands for the youngest, no, the oldest, and they weren't successful errands. I went in the office for about 30 minutes. Now I'm getting ready to head into a meeting talk to you in a little bit. It is finally the end of the day, and getting ready to leave this place, go pack, and finish paper for tomorrow. Well, it's not for tomorrow, it's for Friday, but my goal is to have it done by tomorrow so that I can focus on other things tomorrow once I travel in to my destination. So trying to tidy up my desk, which it is very difficult during this time of the year when we have projects going on, but I'm doing what I can. All right. That's what I'm doing. Checking in with you. I am at my computer. It is 11:18 and I am determined to get my paper 90% done. I can finish up loose ends tomorrow, but before I get on the road, I want to be 90% done with this. And yeah. I'm okay though. I thought I was going to be extremely tired. It hadn't happened yet. It may get ready to come down, but like I said, I'm on a good roll. Had dinner sitting here at the computer, and my youngest is already in bed. My oldest, she came in kind of late from dance, so she's getting ready to go to bed. My husband, he's still moving around in the kitchen, and was watching the election results. And trust, I won't even talk about that here. Yeah, the day has been full of work, full of kids' commitments, and paper writing. That's me smelling the break that I will get prayerfully after Saturday. All right, I will talk to you later. So I wanted to get these nails redone. I do them myself, but this just goes to show you how much time I've really had for myself to do my own nails. I did go to the nail salon last Friday and got my toes done, but yeah, I'm gonna have to probably carry these busted nails with me to school and to the debutante ball on Saturday. It'll be okay because my priorities are schoolwork, and I don't know why I keep showing them to you, but let me tell you, I do my nails myself, and these nails has lasted me an entire month. No lie. The last time I went to school, I had these nails. So my technique, I'm pretty amazed. Okay, the time is now 12:07. 2:13. I'm shutting it down at 4:34, only because I know I need to get some rest. Good morning, friends. It is now the next day, and I'm extremely tired because I did not go to bed until 4:45 this morning. So instead of trying to wake up extremely early, I slept until I just naturally woke up, which was about 8:30, 8:45, and I just had to take a slow start to the day. So I'm getting ready to hit the road for class. I'm gonna stop and grab something to eat, and these are I don't know, it's showing up. Bangs and Red Bulls are like my class's staple drink. Bang, Red Bull, and extremely strong coffee. Alright, I am going to hit the road, and if I don't chime back in today, just know that I'm being very careful driving, being alert, and headed to go finish up the work that I didn't complete on yesterday. I got a lot done, but I'm going to use the rest of the day once I make it into town to knock out my work. My daughter got our ads in. The husband and my mom are going to tag team parenting for the next few days while I get my head in the game to excel this semester, finish this semester strong. And then when I come back from class, I'm going to hopefully leave a little early so that I can make it to our cotillion ball. It would be so wonderful if I could take my camera in there. I don't know how awkward it's going to be. I don't know how fast I'm going to be trucking it to make it there, so I'm not sure if I'll get any footage of the ball. And y'all, I'm looking forward to Sunday. I'm looking forward to Sunday. I'm looking forward to just having a little bit of a brain rest. All right, so if I do not chime back in, please like this video, subscribe if you have not already, and leave me a, what kind of emoji? Well, since I'm going to school, leave me the book emoji to let me know that you watched the video and you're sending me good vibes. All right, if I don't see you until the next video, have a great day. Bye.